Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name's Jesse, and today we're gonna be doing some Super Duty work. I got my 6-liter truck sitting in the lot right now. I'm in my little hut. Those are the heads for the Grand Cherokee. I'll make a video on that when I start working on them. There's all my parts there. Anyways, like I said, it's about the Super Duty. I got a code today for a Glowplug number 2 specifically. So I got a Motorcraft part. I got the actual Glowplug Puller. There it is, right here. So I'm gonna be swapping that out today. Just kind of going through. I know most people, they recommend to change the harness. I do have an extra harness in case I do booger it up somehow. However, with this puller, I think I should be able to get away with not having to use it. But we'll see what happens when we get in there. This will be the first time I've pulled off the wheel of this truck since I've owned it. Anyways, I got plenty of tools here, so I'm gonna pull off the wheel and we'll get started. All right guys, change of plans. Here it's just easier to go through the fender well. So that's what I'm gonna do. I got the liner here. I've never taken off the liner on a Super Duty before, but it looks pretty self-explanatory. Probably have to cut these zip ties to get access to this spot. But yeah, I got my tools ready. So next video you're gonna see is gonna be this liner coming off. All right guys, here we go. Fender liner's off. You can see the glow plugs back there. All right, so that's number 8. Must be 6 there. There's 4, and I'm pretty sure 2 is the one that has a messed up harness. You see that? Might be it. Let's see if I can get a better shot. Yeah, I think that might be the only oil-soaked one. Yeah, that one right there. Right dead center in the camera. Oh, okay. Yeah, that one must be it. Okay, so what I got, right? This is what I got here. My puller. I've seen some videos online talking about, yeah, use a coat hanger or something like that. I don't want to mess with all that. I heard these things, if they break inside the block, you got a world full of trouble. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the puller, give it my best shot. Hopefully I can access it. Shouldn't give me much trouble, I wish. There's one of those aft ones back there, but I don't know. Life's never easy, right? Okay, so next thing you're gonna see is the harness out. I'll update the harness out and then follow up with the glow plug out, and we'll go from there. Okay. Not even 2 minutes ago, right? And I gave this a shot, and look at that. Oh. Focus. That's the glow plug harness right there, and that little orifice you see back here, that's where the glow plug's at. So right on. That's great. All right, now I just got to get my tools in there and break off this glow plug. All right, let's do it. All right, guys. Just got the glow plug out. Super simple. It was just a 10 mil deep well. Barely has any torque on it. Break it a little bit, and you could just hand loosen the rest of it with just the setup. Anyways, there's the old one, obviously, and then here's the new one. Good news is the old one, the tip is not broken off. I've seen that notorious tip break off, but that's in block failure, so fortunately I don't have that issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and get some oil here on this O-ring, coat this up a little bit lightly, and then I'll install it. I highly recommend going to the auto parts store when you do this and get yourself a magnet. Mine I got for 12 bucks, has a little light on it. It's good to have that just to kind of fish it out. Has 4 pounds, lifts the glow plug straight up, no issues. So all right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, throw this new glow plug in. I'll put the harness on, and then we'll update from there. All right. Alright guys, I finished it. I got the glow plug in. It's torqued, barely has a torque value, and then there's the harness. Pop back in. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to start the truck. Well, first I'm going to clear the codes, run the scanner, make sure the code doesn't pop back up, and I'll start the truck. So here we go. Alright guys, here we are. I'm going to go ahead and clear my codes because I had the glow plug number 2, so I'll turn the key on. Alright, it's complete. Turn the key off. Done. I'm going to read the codes that we got now. Make sure that the glow plug number 2 is not there. I should just have the EGRs. Okay, yep, and those are both EGRs. 403 EGR alpha control circuit, 405 EGR sensor A circuit. Alright. Alright, so I hear when you ever change a glow plug, it's going to be a little bit of a hard start, so we're going to see how we do. Oh wow, how about that? Fired right up. See how we're doing. All right, looking good. All right, I'm gonna pop the fender well back in, and we'll wrap up this video. And that's how you do it, ladies and gentlemen. Fender liner's back in. Easy day. You saw me fire up the truck, code is gone, and anybody can do this at home. I, again, highly recommend get yourself one of these Glowplug Pullers. Makes life a world. Hold on. Makes life a whole lot easier with this. You risk not breaking the harness, and it makes the job a lot smoother too. I think the most difficult part I had was trying to get this liner back installed, back aligned. But other than that, pretty straightforward. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, like it, subscribe for more. I told y'all I'm coming back. So let me know what more activities you want. She's next. Stick around.